Hi, my name's Beck. Maintaining a healthy lawn requires a little bit more than just mowing, watering and fertilising. Dethatching is a crucial process if you want to keep your lawn looking healthy and nourished. So come on, let's get into it. The first step is to understand why you need to dethatch in the first place. Thatch is a layer of dead grass, roots and debris that can accumulate in the soil surface over time. It prevents water and nutrients from reaching the soil and can lead to dead patches in your lawn, which leaves it susceptible for pests and disease. While a thin layer is natural and beneficial, an excessive thatch layer can cause problems. The best time to dethatch your lawn is in late spring or early summer, after it's completely greened, is growing rapidly and can quickly recover from the stress. So now that you know the why, it's time to focus on the how. If you find it difficult to push a screwdriver or another sharp object into your lawn, it's probably time to start dethatching. If you need to dethatch your lawn, set your mower on the lowest setting and mow the grass. Then, using a scarifier or a dethatching rake, remove the thatch from within the grass layer. If you're using a rake, you may need to apply more pressure to the grass and soil in order to pull the thatch out. Then, rake up the loosened thatch and debris and dispose of it properly. From here you may need to aerate your soil using an aerator, as this will help water and nutrients penetrate better. Water the lawn thoroughly after dethatching. This helps the grass recover and encourages new growth. Lastly, consider adding a fertiliser or a soil conditioner to help promote lawn growth. So there you have it. Now you know the why and the how of dethatching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.